At 24, Jason believed he was doing everything right. Good job, decent salary, new phone, weekend trips, branded clothes, nights out with friends, a car he didn't really need but absolutely loved. He wasn't reckless, he wasn't in debt, he was just normal, and that was the problem. Jason's paycheck hit his bank account every Friday, and by Monday, half of it had already disappeared. Rent, subscriptions, food delivery, gas, small upgrades, small comforts, small rewards. Nothing crazy, nothing irresponsible, just the life everyone around him was living. His Instagram looked great. His friends thought he was doing well. Even Jason felt proud. He had made it out of college and into adulthood smoothly, but every month his savings stayed the same. Every raise he got, his lifestyle quietly expanded to match it. New apartment, better furniture, more expensive habits. He thought this was growth. It wasn't. It was a trap. At 29, Jason met his old college friend Daniel for coffee. Daniel looked average. Same clothes, same car, same phone model Jason had 5 years ago. Jason assumed Daniel hadn't progressed much, until Daniel paid for coffee without looking at the price. Until Daniel mentioned he had just invested in a small rental property. Until Jason learned Daniel had quietly built a 6-figure investment portfolio. Jason was stunned. How? We started at the same place. Daniel smiled. I froze my lifestyle at 23. Jason didn't understand. Daniel explained. When my salary increased, my life didn't. I kept living like a broke graduate. The difference went into investments automatically. I never touched it. No new car, no fancy apartment, no constant upgrades, just boring consistency. Jason realized something uncomfortable. Daniel didn't earn more than him. Daniel just didn't upgrade his life every time he got paid. He opened his banking and saw debt. He saw something worse. He saw 10 years of small, harmless decisions that quietly stole his future. The daily coffees, the gadgets, the subscription services, the impulse trips, the I deserve this purchases. Individually they were nothing, together they were everything. Jason hadn't been losing money, he had been losing time, and time is what makes money multiply. Here's the twist most people miss in their 20s. The biggest money mistake isn't debt, it's comfort. It's believing that earning more means living more, because when your expenses rise with your income, you stay financially 22 years old forever, no matter how old you get. You look successful, you feel successful, but you never build the engine that creates real wealth. Jason started changing one thing, not his job, not his income, his habits. He kept his apartment, canceled unnecessary subscriptions, stopped upgrading things that still worked, redirected every raise into investments before he could touch it. The first few months felt uncomfortable, like he was moving backward, like he was missing out. But then something strange happened. His bank balance started growing without effort. His anxiety about money disappeared, and for the first time Jason felt in control, not because he earned more, because he needed less. The lesson is simple but uncomfortable. You are not trapped by your salary. You are trapped by financial habits disguised as a normal life. Wealth doesn't start when you earn more. It starts when you stop upgrading your life every time you get paid. Break that link, and you break the system. Because the real flex in your 20s isn't what you can afford to buy. It's what you choose not to.